Hi everybody, welcome back to Social Nerd. I'm back with yet another tutorial video, and in today's video I'll be showing you how you can put your videos in reverse on Snapchat. Before starting the tutorial, I'd like to let you know about Snapchat. It's an app where you can take pictures or videos, add filters, lenses or other effects and share them with your friends. Now, open up your Snapchat app on your phone. After you open up the app, be sure that you're logged into your account. Then tap and hold on the big white circle to take video. After you have taken the video, swipe from right to left continuously. After you swipe for the first 4 times, there you'll see various filters. Then will come slow-mo. After that will come fast forward. Again super fast forward, and then will come reverse. This way you can put videos on reverse. Thank you for watching. If you like this video, please hit the like button. If you want to see more tutorial videos, hit the subscribe button, and if you have something to say, please leave a comment.